Here are the ingredients: chicken, rice, peppers, onions, garlic, roasted peppers, sazon Goya, cilantro, black pepper, cayenne pepper, cumin, salt, granulated garlic, tomato sauce, vinegar, olive oil, olives, and a beer of your choice, and also water. I am using a medium aluminum pot with enough height and a cover. Start the heat at medium. Add olive oil, enough to fry the peppers and the onions. Stir it and fry for at least 2 minutes. The onion, peppers, and garlic. Start adding the chicken. Add the tomato sauce. And add all of the dry ingredients. Stir it until all the ingredients get incorporated. Vinegar. 2 cups of water, sazon Goya, cayenne pepper, The Sazón Goya pack will give you this color. Cover and continue cooking for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. And you want to check your chicken. And this is good. We're going to add the rice. The roasted peppers, olives, and cilantro. Now you want to stir it and move the rice away from the bottom. It's still on medium heat. I'll keep it on cover and cook the rice until most of the water has reduced. And keep moving the rice away from the bottom. You don't want the rice to stick to the pan. I'm going to add the beer. This is a good appearance for you to cover at this point. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes and we'll check to see if the rice is fully cooked. It's been 10 minutes. And you want to stir the rice away from the bottom. The rice is almost cooked. You can move it from the bottom up. Cover and leave it for at least 5 more minutes. The arroz con pollo is fully cooked. The crisp around the sides and the bottom of the pan is very enjoyable. We call this con con.